Hello, I want to once again thank everybody for joining us for our Hanover County Career Conversation Series. Today, we have Miss Beverly Hayes from Leidos Biomedical Research. Miss Hayes is the Director of Contracts for Acquisitions and Properties and Director of Contracts, Acquisitions and Properties at Leidos Biomedical Research. Thank you for joining us, Ms. Hayes.
Happy to be here. Thanks for inviting me.
Ms. Hayes, can you tell us more about your role at Leidos and how you got there, and what exactly your position entails?
Sure. So my role is basically the interface between the government, who has awarded us contracts. We have contracts with the National Cancer Institute. We're a federally funded research and development center. And within my organization, we do negotiations with the government as well as performance under the contracts they award us, as well as negotiations and awards of subcontractors who also support the National Cancer Institute. On the property side, we have a significant amount of government property that we use in our performance. Our organization's over 2,000 people. So as you can imagine, we have a lot of property. I got into this role actually in a roundabout way. I initially wanted to be a social worker and took many college courses associated with that. And then had my family, had not finished my degree, had my family, and decided to go back to school and determined that probably the best degree in my case to get was a business degree. So I started out in finance, and ultimately, because of the fact that I love to interface with people, I ended up in the world of contracts, negotiations, etc. Roundabout way to get there, but all of the coursework I'd done and jobs I'd had in between actually supported me being able to fulfill the role I have now.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
So Ms. Edwards is going to go to the next slide. And Ms. Hayes, if you will, just answer these questions. What kind of jobs are available with Leidos, and what kind of job applicants are you looking for? That kind of thing.
Okay. So within our organizations, because we do research and maintain facilities, et cetera, anyone can get a job with Leidos. And I say that, I really thought about this for a long time. Of course, you need to make sure you have the correct skill sets to apply for the jobs that we post. But we're very diverse. We have work in clinical research. We have facilities work. We do refurbishments of buildings. We have data analysis because of the fact that much of our research generates information that needs to be analyzed to determine how we could apply it from a scientific way. The primary focus of our work, as I said, is scientific research, and that includes research for AIDS, Ebola, cancer, a lot of work in the cancer area, and then most recently COVID-19. So thinking about jobs here, we have facilities work, not only facilities and making sure that our suites, et cetera, are kept clean, but also relative to the heating and ventilation and air conditioning that support us in this environment. As far as skills and personality traits that we look for, we're always looking for individuals who really have a passion for others because of the type of work we do. You need to care about others, and because you're going to be interfacing with a lot of people at all times, and you need to be a good listener. I mean, that's really a significant trait in my area, because of the fact that we're negotiating contracts and determining terms for performance, as well as the terms for the prices that we will pay for certain items, or that the government in our case would pay to us. If you're going down the scientific route, I think the key would be that you have a desire to figure things out, because the scientific research is all about determining, what are the causes of diseases, and what are the things that we can do to prevent or to help people heal from whatever disease they may have. Does that help? I mean, I'm just talking, trying to remember what you asked me. As far as room for growth, absolutely. All of the organizations that we have within our company have many posted positions. I'll put a plug in right now for the Frederick National Lab. That is the lab that our company runs on behalf of National Cancer Institute. If you Google Frederick National Lab, you would be able to find out more about our company, as well as about the many diverse jobs that we have open and available to those who feel they have the skill set or desire to apply. Many of the positions that we have actually are more junior level. We developed career families so that you can start at a very junior level and then advance into a management position as you grow in your career. Anything else I can help you with?
That was perfect. Thank you very much for joining us and for all of this information. If students do want to reach out, do they reach out to you, or is there somebody else in your organization you want them to reach out to?
Well, if they'd like to speak to me, I'll make sure that I give you and Ms. Edwards my information so they could contact me. If they look on the Frederick National Lab website, as I said, they'll find career opportunities, and if they feel they're qualified, they should apply. If they reach out to me, I'll try and put them in touch with the right people as well, and I'm happy to do that.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Oh, and wear your mask. That's one of the things we say at our facility, as they do everywhere, but it is very important. So make sure you wear your mask as appropriate. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.
Very good.